Some companies offers investor to invest money in its business to earn more profit. Suppose I invest $300,000 in company for 15 years and company returns $30,000 in each year for 15 years. I want to know the value of interest rate per year that this repayment schedule would represent. For this purpose, rate function is used. First enter initial investment in cell reference I4. Active cell reference I4. First enter negative sign, then enter dollar sign, type 300,000. Press enter key. Initial investment is called present value. This value is negative because this money is going away from me or I have invested this money to company. Active cell reference L4. First enter dollar sign, then enter 30,000. Press enter key. I will receive this money from company in each year. This amount is positive because company will return in each year, or I will receive this amount from to the company in each year. Company will return one payment per year. I have invested this money for 15 years. Active cell reference H4. In this cell, I calculate total number of returns. NPER represents total number of returns. Enter equal sign. Click cell reference J4. Enter multiplication operator. Click cell reference K4. Press enter key. So I will receive total 15 payments from to the company in the 15 years.